Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Looking to add a Google Map directly into your Notion workspace without touching a single line of code? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a super simple, quick way to embed a Google Map in Notion using just the standard map link. By the end, you'll be able to display any location, route, or search result right inside your Notion page, making your notes, itineraries, or project boards even more useful. So let's jump straight in. First, we're going to head over to Google Maps. You can use your web browser for this. Just open a new tab and type in Google Maps or go to maps.google.com. From here, find the location you want to embed. This could be your favorite restaurant, a client's office, a vacation spot, or anywhere you want to quickly reference inside Notion. If you're sharing something more complex, maybe a set of directions or a custom route, you can use any view that Google Maps gives you. Now, here's a key tip. Instead of trying to hunt down the embed code, those are the HTML snippets Google Maps offers, but Notion sometimes has trouble loading and parsing them. We're going to stick with the simple, direct approach. All you need is the regular URL, not the embed code. This method is much more reliable for Notion, and it sidesteps a lot of potential headaches. So look for the little Share button, usually to the left of the map, or just copy the address from your browser's URL bar if you've got the map view you want. Let's take a second here. Make sure you have exactly the view of the location you want, zoomed in or out, map, satellite, whatever works best for you. If you need to reposition or adjust the map before you copy the link, go ahead and do that now. Got your map? Great, just copy the URL. On most browsers, you can right-click up at the top in the address bar and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Next up, we're going to jump back to Notion. Open up the page where you want to show your Google Map. Maybe it's your travel planning hub, an event doc, or a workspace for a team project. Click where you want the map to appear. Now, simply paste the URL you just copied. That's Ctrl+V or Command+V. Super easy. Here's the special step. After you paste the URL, Notion is pretty smart and gives you a couple of options. You'll see a preview, and usually, you can click an option called Embed Google Maps. Select that, and Notion will do its magic. Sometimes it takes a second or two to load, so don't worry if the map doesn't appear instantly. Give it a moment. Once it loads, you'll see the actual interactive Google map right there in your Notion page. You can zoom in, move around, and even tap for directions, just like you would on Google Maps itself. If you ever want to edit or replace the location, just delete the block and repeat these steps. You've just made your Notion page a lot more dynamic and visual, and you did it all without any coding or technical hassle. And that's it. You're done. You can repeat this process for as many maps as you need, using any location and any Notion page. If this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with anything else in Notion. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy mapping!